Hey, what's up everybody? It's Joe. Today I wanted to introduce you to our brand HSP Diesel and give you a little bit more info on the components we design and the products we manufacture in order to increase your reliability, increase that engine horsepower, and gain overall efficiency of your entire truck. If you're just getting into the automotive performance industry, you'll quickly realize that that small panel style filter on your OEM intake is super restrictive and leaves a ton of power on the table. All right, so who needs a cold air intake? A cold air intake is an awesome component when you're just starting out a fresh build. Also, as you continue to build that truck and make more power, it becomes increasingly important because your engine is going to be consuming more air. HSP Diesel is primarily known for building Duramax cold air intakes. We've developed an awesome system that increases your power, efficiency, and overall drivability of your truck. One other cool feature is the envy all of your buddies are going to feel when they pop the hood of your truck and see these sweet powder-coated parts under the hood. After all the positive feedback from our Duramax line of products through the years, we decided to expand that line and introduce a Power Stroke and Cummins line of products with cold air intakes, intercooler systems, and other components. Our goal is to help every single diesel enthusiast out there to improve the power and efficiency of their trucks. Okay, so by now you guys know we build a variety of awesome cold air intake systems. We also know it's super important not to overlook the systems that support that intake system. That leads us to our next category, the intercooler system. So what is the intercooler system? If you're new to diesels or just getting into the performance world, the intercooler system is what takes that charged air from the turbocharger, sends it down to the intercooler, which then chills it, and then sends it into the motor to make that sweet thing we all call horsepower. So who needs to update their intercooler system? Honestly, anybody who's pulling a trailer, pushing their truck beyond their factory limits, or even if you have a heavy right foot, you could all benefit from it. The OEM components have a ton of small tubing, which then just increases restriction and doesn't let the motor breathe to its full potential. Not to mention, when you go and update your HSP intercooler system, your truck's gonna look way cooler than your buddies with your custom powder coat color of choice. Hey, with all that increased power, you're gonna wanna make sure your coolant system doesn't suffer. We manufacture an entire line of coolant reservoirs and reroute hoses to increase your coolant flow, make working on your truck a lot easier, and not to mention it looks really good under the hood by color matching all your other components. Traction bars are one of HSP's flagship products. We offer them for the Duramax, the Power Stroke, and Cummins trucks. Our traction bars are designed to eliminate axle wrap, prevent wheel hop, and extend the life of all of your drivetrain components. Traction bars are going to be one of the best devices that you can put on your truck to get the power to the ground as effectively as possible. The HSP Diesel traction bar set is one of many products that HSP builds in order to help every single diesel enthusiast improve the power, reliability, and efficiency of their trucks. Hey, if you're building a hardcore puller, drag truck, or even a show truck, we have some of the baddest components around. Whether it's a billet intake manifold, billet front engine cover, or even billet valve covers, we have the products to make sure you can stand out from the crowd. Many of these components can be found on our website, like the billet valve covers or even the billet front engine cover. But if you're looking for something custom or even a little crazy, give us a call at the shop. We'd love to hear about it. It's 586-785-3110. Our engineers will listen and see what we can turn into reality. Hey, thanks everybody for checking us out today. For more videos like this, head on over to our YouTube channel and other social media platforms. If you'd rather talk to us at the shop, give us a call. Number is 586-785-3110, or leave a comment below and we'll be sure to get those questions answered for you.